pretty much the home screen of the solo leveling wallpaper application here. And if you can see, pretty much see here, as you can see, you have a lot of solo leveling wallpaper which you can choose from. Here you can just swipe across on the latest section, you can go down here on the popular section. Although there are not much solo leveling wallpapers which you can choose from, overall they're very quite decent looking, I should say, as you can see here. And any one of these that you want, you can go ahead and tap on it and you'll be able to set it as your home screen wallpaper or your lock screen wallpaper, anyone that sees you fit. But they're very easy to use, no ads, you don't have any ads or anything like that. These as well are wallpapers. You can pretty much tap on these and use these as wallpapers. Well, consider as home screen or your lock screen wallpaper. So very easy application to use, don't have any ads. And if you do want to tap on the popular section, you just tap on the see all option set for, and you'll be able to see all the popular ones. So very easy application to use, as I said before. And if I missed anything in this video, make sure to comment below, see if I can help you out. See you in the next one.